I had the pleasure yesterday and day before of spending the time in the Tennessee Highway Department, and I want to take occasion at this time to pay tribute to them. You've got a fine, efficient highway department. It's up to schedule on its construction, and Tennessee should be proud of a group of career men who are really good engineers and on the ball as far as it comes to construction of Tennessee's highways. I'm quite surprised to find as much interstate construction underway in and around Nashville as I've found. And although it might be a little embarrassing to the state of Alabama, I'd like to take this occasion to say that I believe that Tennessee is certainly on an even keel with Alabama as far as progress on its interstate, if not somewhat ahead.